right. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of development work. We're building a road here. We're going to build a driveway here and going to build a road back to a pad back there in the back. So got quite a bit of work here. Got the equipment here and we're going to get started. I'm working by myself today, but I think I can get a lot done. It's a nice day just after the rain, and let's get started. So it comes in and it sort of tees off and it goes on further back to the garden and then over to the pad. And so should be finished in about 3 days here. Got to build the driveway. I'm going to work on that tomorrow, building the driveway. The project that we're going to do, we're putting in this road here, setting a water tank, building a little cabin shed. But this morning, what we got to do is build this driveway. So I've got my culvert over there. I got to put a 20-foot culvert right here for irrigation, for water flow. And then we've got to backfill and see if we can get this thing level with the driveway. So I'm going to offload this culvert right now and see if we can get started. Time is of the essence. We're waiting for the gravel truck to come. Hopefully he'll be here pretty quickly, but we were able to kind of rough in the driveway and we roughed in the road all the way back to the pad. Now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna essentially dump 2-inch gravel or 2-inch rock, drain rock, right here in this driveway area. And then we're gonna come back over the top of it with road base all the way back to the pad. But in this area right here, I think it's important to have something really substantial. So 2-inch drain rock here, all the way back to the pad. We put in this culvert, and that's pretty much it. driveway a little bit. So we're digging it out so that we can add another 20-foot culvert. We did hit, as you can see, some big rocks. But we were able to get the rocks out. And we're going to continue digging about 20 feet that way. And then we'll go ahead and install that culvert. Working on extending this culvert, we installed this first one before we poured the gravel, but the owner wants to widen the driveway another 20 feet. So we're going to install another 20-foot culvert. You can see it way back there, and we've got the hole opened up. And right now, the goal is to get this sleeve. I'm going to try to straighten out the edges there, but the goal is to get this sleeve right on the edge here. And I think we can just about get it. It's gonna take a little bit of effort. We're gonna straighten that out a little bit. But yeah, we should be able to get it. All right, so pretty much got this culvert in, and I'm just gonna hook up the end there. We're gonna level it off. I've got my level here, and we're gonna see if we're getting the fall. I think I'm on the high end here, so we've got to get this nose in up here higher, and it looks like we're higher down there, which is fine. I'll just block it up down here and we'll get it where we need it. All right, so right now we're having gravel delivered to widen this driveway. So our gravel truck guy is here gonna dump it right here in this. All right, friends, we are done for the most part with the first phase of this project. We were able to widen this driveway about another 20 feet, and culverts are in place. Everything has been graded. It's compacted for the most part, and we're pretty much done, but everything for the most part in this first phase is completed. And I think it came out pretty good. All right, right now I'm building this little small shed. It's only an 8 by 12, and so I got one wall up here. We got the foundation built. I'm gonna block the foundation up a little better. That's just temporary, but now I'm working on the back wall, and it should be all framed up with the roof on today. So we got this shed pretty much up. I got the 4 walls up and the roof, and got the siding on and part of the sheeting on the roof as well. I just have to come back and build the door and do the gable end up here and the gable end on the back and shingle it and put the trim on. And that's it. It's Thursday. Hopefully we can get it almost all done tomorrow. All right, so this little small shed here is done pretty much. We put the siding on, put the roof on, and framed up, and I built the doors, just kind of trimmed it in 1 by 3, and it's all complete. They're gonna put their own lock on it, but I think it came out pretty good.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open here. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.